Make mixing effortless with the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Mix, whip, blend, and knead everything from whipped cream to milkshakes to bread dough. The powerful, lightweight motor is designed for quiet, lifelong operation. And turbo beater accessories prevent clogging, evenly mix ingredients, and make cleanup effortless. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Mix it all up with the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer with pulse. With 290 watts of peak power, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer gives you ultimate control over your mixtures, from slow-speed pulse to high-speed burst. Mixing dry ingredients too fast can make a mess, so we've added an innovative pulse function. This feature gives you more control when gradually incorporating ingredients on the lowest speed. And no more searching through drawers for misplaced beaters. You can store all 6 attachments in the snap-on case with the mixer. Attachments include twisted wire beaters, a milkshake mixer, dough hooks, and a whisk. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer. Now that's good thinking.
Introducing the Oster hand mixer with HeatSoft technology. With Oster hand mixer, there's no wait to bake. Innovative HeatSoft technology allows you to soften cold butter while mixing in one simple step. By using gentle, warm air, the Oster hand mixer quickly brings cold butter to room temperature. The key to fluffier results is using room temperature butter. Using cold or melted butter can affect the quality of your baked good. Using melted butter results in confections that are too flat and deflated, but soft, room temperature butter is just right for making fluffy baked goods. And now you can do it faster with the power of HeatSoft technology. The Oster hand mixer softens butter 12 times faster, so there's no wait to bake. The versatile 7-speed control allows you to handle any type of batter, and the burst of power button gives you the extra boost needed when tackling especially thick batters. An easy eject button makes for quick and convenient cleanup, and the removable magnetic nozzle is dishwasher safe. Elevate your baking with the Oster hand mixer with HeatSoft technology.
I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's Power Advantage 5-speed hand mixer. It's very powerful with 220 watts of power. It comes with 2 beaters. It has 5 speeds and 1 touch slide control. Very powerful. That's a slow start feature as well. And one of the great features about this is that it has a swivel cord for right-handed and left-handed use, and then you could just stand it up just like that when you're done mixing. And see, these are some of the great desserts that you can make with our hand mixer.